Do you remember this law that states that energy can be neither created nor destroyed? Yes, this is the law of conservation of energy. We learned about it before. You remember? Exactly, in primary 5. Heat is energy and therefore can't be lost, only transformed or transferred. When you boil a pot of water on the stove, eventually there is no more water left in the pot, as we see here. Okay, when we boil a pot of boiling water, finally we can't find the water. But where did it go? If a liquid is heated to a point that it begins to evaporate, the matter simply changes state. Why does matter turn from state to state? Let's see this with a simple experiment. We will have different materials. Let's see what are they. We will have a bar of chocolate, scale, hot water, and a pot, and a cup. Now we will weigh the chocolate bar before melting, okay? Let's weigh it. I'm going to use the scale to weigh it. It's 25 grams, okay? And what is the state of a chocolate now? It's solid, correct. Do you think the mass of the chocolate bar will change after it's melted? Will the liquid matter have lower mass? Let's find out. We will put the chocolate bar in the cup and put the cup in the pot and fill the pot with hot water to melt the chocolate. After it melts, we weigh the mass and subtract from it the mass of the dish. We will find the chocolate mass. Let's see what we will do. First, we will weigh the cup. It's 200 grams. And now we will put the chocolate inside the cup to melt it. And let's observe what will happen after melting. After it melts, we will weigh the mass of the chocolate, and let's see. The mass of a chocolate is 25 grams. So what happens? The mass of a chocolate when it was solid was 25 grams. But after heating it and the chocolate melts, we find that the mass is still 25 grams. And this achieves the law of conservation of mass, that when matter changes from one state to another, the mass is still the same.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.